So if you're looking for a way to make some money online, but you're searching and you can't find anything, now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $200 today on Facebook. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Don't try to skip ahead because this is going to be a special technique that I'm going to share with you. I'm going to tell you where to go, where to sign up, and how to implement these strategies so that way you can have the best possible results. So if this is your first time here, my name is Andre. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, feel free to stick around if you like how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and multiple ways how to put more money in your pocket. So I'm gonna jump right into the video. Don't wanna take up too much of your time, so let's get started right now. So as mentioned earlier, make sure you stick around and you watch this video all the way to the end, so don't try to skip. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make $200 today on Facebook, and it's gonna be a make money online video. So if you've never made money online before and you've been trying and you've been watching a ton of videos, I can assure you by the time you finish this video, you will have some very actionable steps to take right away. So this is for some of you who have absolutely no money. This is going to be for free. You don't need any money for you to start. The only thing you need is some time to put in as well. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description and I'll send it over to you right away. So let's get started. Let's dive into the video. And the first thing we need is a Facebook account. So if you don't have a Facebook account, you're going to need one. So just go onto Google and type in Facebook. If you don't know how to create one, just come on here where you see www.facebook.com, and then you click on the login information and you could just sign up. It is absolutely free. You don't need any money to sign up for Facebook. So once you create the Facebook, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some very detailed things that you need to do to make sure that you look like someone who's trustworthy. Because when you present these items, people are going to want to make sure you're someone who is real and you don't have like a cat picture or some animal picture here. I'm not saying nothing is wrong with an animal, but you understand what I'm trying to say. Nobody wants to do business with anyone if they don't know who they are talking to, because this is the internet. People are afraid of people who want to do bad things to them. All right. So once you create the Facebook page, you want to make sure you put a very nice picture on here. It could be you, it could be on your wife, your family, or whatever. Just put a picture. If you're afraid of showing your picture, well, the people who want to do business with you will be afraid of you as well. So you can put a nice background. You don't have to put a family picture, but put something there, a city or something that looks good, that is attractive. But make sure that this is a picture of you and not some fake person who is from a different country and all that type of stuff. Because number one, you're going to risk your account getting shut down because Facebook is very strict. They're going to shut you down and then it's going to be very difficult. So immediately you can start to post on there. Start posting pictures. If you want to post pictures of your family, you want to put motivational quotes and all that type of stuff, you could do that as well. Oftentimes people will say, well, I'm afraid to put myself out there. Well, if you're afraid to put yourself out there, what do you expect the people who want to do business with you? They're going to be afraid of doing business with you as well. So don't be afraid to, take a picture, put a picture out there. Even if you have one picture on there, that's okay. So start posting motivational stuff, quotes and all that. Once we do that, the next thing we're going to do, before I show you the real method of how you're going to be able to make at least $200 today on Facebook, keep watching the video. Now, everybody know what eBay is. We all know what eBay is one of the, the largest retailer stores that's out there. They sell basically everything. It's like Walmart. You name it, they have it. If they don't have it, they'll go find it and make sure that they sell it to you. So there's so many different type of products that you have on here. There's like toys, there's business and industrial, there's music, there's deals, sports and goods, home, garden, collectibles, art, electronics, fashion, all that. So even if we go into the electronics section, if I click on it, you'll see that they have endless of things to choose from. So you can shop by category. You can go over here and you can see the cell phones, computer and components, accessories, TVs, and home camera. Down here, you have certified refurbished. So that means that some of these things have been used already. They're good. but they want to get rid of them. So you can even use some of these as well. Certified refurbish, why not? Because if it's a certified refurbished product, it's good. It's still up for grabs. And if you look down here at shop certified refurbished brands. So let's say you want to look at a computer. If you look at the computer, you see some of these computers that are for sale. So you see there's like 1,300, there's 1,800, there's 1,000, there's 200, 2,000. So these are these are flying off the shelves because people are always looking for a computer to buy. People are always into electronics. So if you come over here and you go to like Bose, there's like headphones, there's all these type of things. People are always looking for electronics. That's like the number one thing people look for. There's You can shop for brands if you want as well. And you could go in for the tools, kitchen, appliances, all those things. Now, the reason why I'm showing you these because these are some of the products that you're going to be selling in order for you to make $200 today on Facebook, right? So after you set up your Facebook and everything, the next thing we want to do is you want to come on to home. Once you go to home, we're going to go over to the marketplace. Now, in the marketplace area, if you look on the left-hand side, you'll see there's a bunch of different categories, right? There's hobbies, electronics, home and garden, vehicles, there's rental, clothing, classified, there's home sales, family entertainment, all that. So for this particular one, we're gonna go into electronics. Now, if you wanna sell something on the electronics tab, you'll see that people are already selling stuff. There, you'll find new things in here, you'll find old things in here. People are just looking to sell some things. So here's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna go over back to good old eBay and we're gonna sign up for their affiliate program. So if you go all the way to the bottom, I'm gonna show you, you're going to go right down here and you type in where it says, not type, but you click on the affiliates tab all the way down to the bottom of the website. You can click on here and you can sign up. So once you click on it, you could sign up, you can eBay sign in, right? Share your passion, whatever you're passionate about. It's easy. Share your finds with your audience and get paid when, simply link an item and share your thought through Facebook, Twitter, blog, website, all that. So yes, you can earn money. You can make money by doing this. So once you sign up for the program, for their partnership program, and if you want to come and read up more about it, why partner up with them? Because they work, it's a global commerce leader. They leverage deals, they track, analyze, and optimize. So after you do this, you're going to find your affiliate link. And once you get your affiliate link, you're going to come over to the electronics tab. So I recommend electronics. Of course, you can do whatever you decide on doing, but electronics is something that is always hot. People are always selling. So if you look on here, there's computers, there's music stuff, studio equipment, and all that. So what you can do is you could grab the picture of whatever computer that you want to sell because they have some reasonable price computers. Some are like 1,000, some are like 800, all that type of, all different prices. So once you find that, you can put the picture on here, and if you want to sell something, right, you would click on the sell something tab. You want to grab that picture of whatever item. Is it a vehicle you want to sell? Is it homes for sale or rent? Is it items for sale? Of course, it's item for sale. You click on this, and this is what you do. You want to make sure that you put your name on here. So that's why it's good to have a picture, because as soon as someone clicks on it, the message is going to go directly inside of your inbox. So that's what I like with this. Oh, cool. So you put a category. So the category could be electronics and computers. What are you selling? Computer, right? Fairly new. Or you could put new if you want, but you want to make it enticing. Now the price, You can put the price on here. Sometimes you don't have to put the official price on there because you can put, let's say, fairly new, negotiable, right? Negotiable. So you could do that. So let's say the computer that you found is 350 or 400. You don't want to put 350 or 400 here because if you go to negotiable, you want to put at least 550, right? 550. So let's say the computer is for 350. You can put 550. So once someone is, someone agrees on paying for this particular 550. Let's say they say, okay, 500. If it's for 500, right? And they give you $500, you can take 150 and you can buy the computer for 350 and you could send it to them. Now, after you do that, you're still gonna get paid from eBay. So you're getting a little bit of money because of your negotiation, and you're also making money from being an affiliate. So I hope that makes sense. So you never want to put the original price. You want to put it a little bit higher, at least $100 or more, or let's say 250 or more, or 200. So that way, if someone says, "All right, I can only give you 450," that's still good. You're still making $100 anyways, and you can use that $100 and you're still gonna get paid. So make sure you put the picture of the item here, and then once you're done, you wanna click next. You wanna put the location and everything. I'm just gonna discard that. But you get the idea where I'm coming from. This is where you're gonna put all the equipment, anything that you wanna sell electronics. If you look on here, all these people, they're probably selling TVs that they bought, like 249. So if you wanna find TVs on here, you could find TVs too, right? Check these out. These are TVs. Let's click on here and see if we find some TVs. So there's some Bose stuff. There's some Bose with a TV. Like, look at this, right? 30 sold. This is free shipping. So this is a TV, 43 inch. So this is a 43 inch and it's for 174. Let's go back here and see what we have here. This is that solar panel. Where's that? Okay, so this right here, let me click on this. So this is a 43 inch, right? This is 43 inch. This is for 174, and this person is selling this for 240, negotiable. So I hope you guys get the idea where I'm trying to go. So even if you put, right, even if you put 250 and someone say 200, you're still making a little bit of money there. Plus you're making money from the affiliate program. So I hope these things are making sense what I'm trying to tell you. So that's how you can make money every day. Make $200 today from Facebook just by doing this simple little trick. It's a hack, and all you have to do is just come on here and post and put different locations. Once you put different locations, recommended, lowest price, and you just keep repeating the same process over and over again. And eventually, people are going to start buying from you, and that's how you're going to be making money. So sign up for the affiliate program and make sure you put nice pictures on there so it can be sold, because once people click on here, for example, this person right here is selling this, it's free. If you click on send message, it's going to go directly inside of their inbox, right? So that's how it works. So keep doing your thing. This is what you need to do every single day, and that's how you're going to make money. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from, and let me know if you got some value from this. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video. My name is Andre. Peace.